Good evening, everyone. Let me ask you a simple question. What is the purpose of your life? I'm sure all of us at some point of time in our life must have pondered over this question, isn't it? The pandemic that is going on is rightfully giving us the answers to this question. The purpose of our life is not in being rich or being popular or being highly educated or being perfect. The purpose of our life is in being real. The purpose of our life is in being humble, is in being able to share ourselves with others and to touch the lives of others. That is the purpose of our life. If you see, everything in nature is interconnected, and the pandemic has taught us that our well being depends on each one's well being. Everything in nature is perfectly balanced, and if we try to disturb that balance, it will in turn destroy us. We need to understand this fact. If a person just thinks about himself and is selfish, then he doesn't have a broader perspective. That's where his growth is stunted. But whereas when a person thinks about his parents, his family, his children, the society, the people around him, the nation, that's where he prospers. If you see successful people, they contribute so much, they add so much value to the lives of others that they prosper even more. Let me share with you a small incident, and it's a real incident. We all have heard about Nobel Peace Prize, but do you know how it started off? Alfred Nobel was a renowned physicist, and he was the one who invented the dynamite. So at that point, he used to make explosives. Those times there were wars, so he was very rich. It once happened that there was an explosion in one of his factories, and his brother died in that mishap. But the newspaper agents, they mistook it for Alfred, and the next day it came in the newspaper, that the merchant of death, Alfred Nobel, is no more. And Alfred Nobel himself happened to read the newspaper in the obituary column, and he was reading his own death news, merchant of death no more. He was deeply saddened to read that news, and he felt very disturbed, and he asked himself that, is this the way I want to be known? And from that day he changed as a person, and he contributed most of his wealth in for the people who did research in the fields of physics, chemistry and literature. And that's how he started giving away these prizes. So if you see Google, why is Google so famous? What value addition is Google doing? So Google is giving us world information. If you see Facebook, what value addition is Facebook doing? So Facebook is connecting people worldwide. If you see Mercedes, why is it so famous? What value addition is Mercedes doing? So Mercedes is giving us comfort. If you see SLR, what value addition is SLR doing? It is accelerating the world to sustainable transport. So we need to ask ourselves these questions. What is the purpose of my life? Have I shared enough today? Have I cared enough today? What value addition am I doing? What value addition am I doing in my life and to the people around me? So do ask these questions to yourself and do share your answers in the comments below. That's all from me. This is Amu signing off and wishing you all love and peace.